So what's up guys, this is Vikrant and welcome to the very exciting first video on my channel. Before wasting any time, let's have a look what we are making today. But before that, a statutory warning. Please plug in your headphones before the clip plays, or else you cannot know the effect. What you just heard was a 3D illusion sound, or a 7D or a 8D sound. The reason they call it a 3D, 5D or a 8D sound is because you can hear sound coming from different directions. Let's have a look how to make a normal 2D sound into a fantastic 3D surround sound. To achieve this output, you need to go through three major steps. The first is delay in the left channel. Second is the switch from right to left, which also you call a pan, and the third and the last is surround sound, which is echo, delay or a flanger. If you follow these steps, I can assure you, no matter what audio or video software you use, you still can achieve the same output. For this tutorial, I'm going to use two softwares. The first one is Audacity and the second one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Moving forward to the first step. Step number one can be easily done in Audacity. Now, if you guys don't know what is Audacity, it's audio editing software which is totally free and you can download it. If you have downloaded the Audacity, now let's go to open, and you can see I have random dubstep here which you're using to modify and make it a 3D surround sound. Oh, yeah, we got copyright issues. Yeah, that's right. I have another song which is more cooler from the first one, which is of BB Rexa. Important note, the file should be in a stereo format. Okay, now you can see the stereo file which has left channel and right channel. Step number one, select the audio. The reason I'm using Audacity here is because Audacity has an amazing zoom capacity on audios. The first step, you have to select the audio. If you have not selected the audio, it will not work. Put a marker on the first seconds and just click on the zoom button and zoom it. If you don't place a marker there, it will zoom randomly on anywhere on the clip, and you have to navigate the whole clip again and again. So select the audio, click on the arrow button here and select split stereo. Now zoom up to 0.05 seconds and drag back the audio by the slip tool. Now you can find the slip tool here, and tada! Yeah, the step one is complete. Wait a second. Leaving the part where you have to save it. Save, export to wave. Moving on to the second step, open Premiere Pro. And now I am doing this in Premiere Pro because it has a built-in effect which is panner, and which gives the option fluctuate the sound from right channel to left channel. Now you can do this in Audacity too, but it doesn't have that much options in it. Bring it to a sequence. Now you can do this in Adobe Audition too. It's not restricted to only Premiere Pro. Drag the audio to the sequence and now go to effects and controls. Select panner, open it, balance. Now this balances the audio from left channel to right channel. Yeah, and it also controls the both channels and also the difference between them. Okay, now what you have to do is pan the sound from left to right, and you have to continue doing until the sound or the clip ends. Now where you have to end, it's your preference. -100 is full audio concentration towards left, and right is completely off. And the +100% is full audio concentration towards right and completely off on the left, just like you can see now. I will suggest you don't cut off any channel completely by turning it 100%. Max to max, keep it up to 80% and toggle the key animation step to complete. Till this step, you can already hear the audio in 3D, but it will not give it a surround effect. To have a surround effect, you need effects like reverb, flanger, or delay. Okay, moving on to step number 3, that is surround sound effect. Now if you using Premiere, it's okay, but if you don't have Premiere, you can also do it in Audacity. But if you're using Premiere, you have to search for an effect called reverb. Now this is the effect, that surround effect in your headphones. If you are using Audacity, just copy the values which I have shown here. I'll be making more and more videos like this which are related to audios, audio copyrights, and stay tuned.
Now if you guys like the video, please leave a like, share it, and subscribe. Till then,
I'll see you guys next time.